Welcome to the best picks. The best drink shaker set is probably one of the most essential bar tools for crafting delicious cocktails at home. Today, we're diving deep into what makes a great shaker set, exploring various types, materials, and features to help you choose the perfect one for your home bar, whether you're a seasoned mixologist or just starting your cocktail journey. We will be looking at factors such as durability, ease of use, and overall value to help you make an informed decision. Number 5. FineDine 7-Piece Cocktail Shaker Set. It has everything you need to make perfect cocktails at home. The set includes a shaker, jigger, strainer, and more, ensuring all your ingredients are perfectly measured and mixed. This beautiful set is made of high-quality, anti-smudge stainless steel. It's durable, leak-proof, and will look great on your bar for years to come. Even if you're a novice bartender, this set makes it easy. It includes all the essential tools and even a recipe guide to get you started. Looking for the perfect present? This set is ideal for weddings, housewarmings, or any special occasion. It comes in a beautiful gift box. Get ready to impress your friends with delicious cocktails. This high-quality shaker set is perfect for creating your favorite tequila-based drinks or any other cocktail you desire. What we like. It includes all the bar accessories you need to start mixing drinks. The high-quality stainless steel ensures it'll last for years. If you're a beginner bartender or want a complete kit, this is perfect for you. What people say. This product is a quality product and is just as represented in the pictures. Great and easy to use. This is a well-made set with strong materials, very durable, giving you confidence in the product. For anyone who would rather pay a little more for far better quality, this is it. Number 4. Expert Cocktail Shaker Set. It's time to become the ultimate bartender. This complete kit has everything you need to craft professional cocktails at home. With this 14-piece set, you'll receive 2 Boston shaker tins, a jigger, strainer, spoon, opener, muddler, pourers, and a stylish velvet carrying bag. Everything is included for a perfect mixology experience. It's built to last. This kit is made from high-quality, rust-free stainless steel with a sleek brushed finish, ensuring durability and a leak-proof design. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, this kit is perfect for you. All the tools you need to make any cocktail are right here. Cleanup is a breeze. This entire set is completely dishwasher safe, saving you time and effort. Searching for a thoughtful present? This set makes a fantastic gift for aspiring or experienced bartenders. It's the perfect addition to any home bar. What we like. This kit has everything you need to unleash your inner mixologist. The durable stainless steel is dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. If you value convenience and a stylish carrying case, this is the one for you. What people say. This product is a quality product and is just as represented in the pictures. Great and easy to use. This is a well-made set with strong materials, very durable, giving you confidence in the product. For anyone who would rather pay a little more for far better quality, this is it. Number 3. Cresimo 24-ounce Cocktail Shaker Set. It's made with high-quality stainless steel, so it's built to last for years. Plus, its stainless steel construction makes it dishwasher safe, rust-proof, and leak-proof. This set has everything you need: a shaker, strainer, jigger, and mixing spoon. It holds 24 ounces, enough for 2 to 3 cocktails. With its recipe guide, you can easily mix up your favorite drinks. It includes over 10 recipes, from classics to modern creations. It's classy and sleek, making it a perfect gift for any cocktail enthusiast. It comes in a nice box, ready for gifting. It's perfect for home use, parties, or barbecues. And cleanup is a breeze, just toss it in the dishwasher. What we like. It's great for making multiple cocktails at once. The stainless steel construction is easy to clean. If you love making cocktails and want a recipe guide, this is ideal. What people say. The caps fit on the outside of the shaker, so when the shaker gets cold it does not seize up. It's a pretty basic shaker. It does not leak and is easy to clean. It works well with no leaking or spilling and is super easy to use. I love the little measuring cup. Number 2. Mixology Bartender Kit. It has everything you need to make delicious cocktails at home. This comprehensive kit includes a jigger, strainer, opener, spoon, tongs, and recipe cards. This elegant wooden stand keeps your bar tools organized and easily accessible, adding sophistication to your home bar. It's both functional and beautiful. It's made from durable stainless steel, built to last. Plus, it's dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Impress your guests with expertly crafted cocktails at your next party. It also makes a memorable gift for any occasion. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, this set provides everything you need to create fantastic cocktails. It's the perfect gift for any cocktail enthusiast. This kit comes with 8 essential pieces and handy recipe cards to help you create delicious drinks. Everything you need is right here. What we like. It keeps your tools organized and looking great. The durable stainless steel is built to last. If you appreciate style and organization, this set is for you. What people say. Super cute and functional set. Perfect addition to our bar cart and doesn't take up much room. Love the color I chose, black matte. It is sturdy, fun to use in my backyard bar. Eye-catcher. Easy to store. Works well. This cocktail mixer set has everything you need for a fun night in or to jazz up your bar cart. The design is sleek and classy, making it a standout piece, and the wooden base keeps everything nicely organized. The cocktail carts fit perfectly under the shaker for easy storage. Number 1. Aozita Cocktail Shaker Set. Craft professional cocktails at home with this complete bartender kit. It's everything you need to mix your favorite drinks with ease and style. It is made from durable, 18/8 stainless steel. This set is built to last a lifetime and is completely dishwasher safe. With this set, you can make a wide variety of cocktails. From martinis to margaritas, it's the ultimate tool for any home bartender. This elegantly packaged set makes a wonderful present for any cocktail enthusiast. It's sure to impress. We stand behind our products. If you have any issues, contact us, and we'll find a solution within 24 hours. Enjoy crafting your perfect cocktails. What we like. This set includes everything you need for professional-level cocktails. The high-quality stainless steel is durable and rust-resistant. If you are a cocktail enthusiast who wants a durable and versatile set, this is a great choice. What people say. Great quality, seals and opens well, it looks nice in my cupboard. The shaker is serviceable. Doesn't leak. It's durable despite the metal being pretty thin. Makes great mixed drinks, and the long spoon fork does great for a quick twist mix on an amaretto sour. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.